the command to look at a certificate is keytool. Keytool has a lot of useful help on it, and there's a lot of good information on the internet how to use Keytool, but what we're going to do is we're going to say Keytool dash V for dash verbose dash list dash key store, and we're going to look inside this key store here just to check its contents. Now it's password protected because we generated it with a password which is a default is password, so it's just challenging us for that now. And what we'll see inside that P12 is we'll see the certificates there. So our key store contains 2 entries. There's our certificate alias, localhost JW is what we called it, so that's how it's been added. Information that we entered in the Zoe.setup certificate section about the organizational unit, the location. We put Hursley, Hampshire, England. The validity date, so it takes us up to 2033, so that's nice, 10 years. And we can see information about the cert. We can see the subject alternate name, the SAN, which was the IP address and named IP as well, the numbered IP. Also, we have localhost 127, this for loopback addressing, because the certificate is used externally by Zoe to access from Zoe CLI, Zoe Explorer, and Zoe Desktop, and running on browsers, but it's also used internally within the LPAR for Zoe's microservices to talk to each other, and they might be using the loopback address as well. And then we can also see our certificate has been signed by our certificate authority. We called local CA JW, and again we can see the information here. So it's always nice to have a look at that and to understand our way around the certificate key store. The other object that we have is P12 a trust store. Now we're using a different trust store to a key store. You don't actually need to do that, but let's go and have a look inside that trust store. So a key store is used to hold certificates with public and private keys used for outbound encryption. Trust store is a little different. The trust store holds the certificate authorities of certificates that are going to present their public key and their signing authority to Zoe. So in this case, it needs to hold Zoe's CA itself.